Hi y'all. So today I have like a massive squishy haul, and I mean massive. I mean like we're probably gonna be here if it's if it's daytime to you, you're gonna be here till nighttime. I'm joking. And if it's nighttime to you, you're gonna be here till like 6 a.m. I'm joking. But all the new squishies, I got a new squishy basket bin because my other baskets have been like, I don't know. So all the new squishies are gonna go in here today. Unless like the big ones, I put them in a separate pile so they don't take too much space. So I'm gonna close my eyes and pick Tim and Cheese Sticky Bread Slow Rising Squishy. Ooh, okay. It looks like a macaroon. Imagine they put in a fork. Oh, it better be scented. It better be. If it's not scented, I'm gonna. Oh, wait. It's sticky. I feel like this would feel like a smusher. I don't have one. But, like, is that okay? Yes. This looks like a macaroon. That's good. We're already starting with a good start. Oh, it's not scented. It smells like butter. But that's okay because that's good. It's not like as slow rising I thought it would be, but that's good. Okay, then we're gonna do these, whatever this is. So, no. I think I might give this to my friend Willow because I already have an axolotl blue one. And she says she's always been wanting the blue one, so I'm probably going to give this to her. And plus I already have a pink one, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to give it to her. But we'll see, because this one feels different from the other ones, so that's good. Okay. Then we're going to do whatever this is. Some of these are like in boxes. And before we like actually dive into like what I got, go get some snacks, like put some comfy pajamas on or whatever. You might actually already have pajamas on, and I don't blame you. Bro, how the heck do you open this? I have to bring out the big guns, but I don't want to. Oh wait, I think I got it. I'm trying not to show like the QR code. Just because like I've seen people do that before, and what do you guys think it is? 3, 2. If you guess like a dumpling, yes. I do not remember. Oh dang it, I already opened it by accident. Wait, this is like one of the most softest dumplings I've ever felt. Oh, I don't even have a face. I thought I was like crushed Oreos. I'm like, no. No. Because I don't like crushed Oreo stuff. Like, it depends of like, you know. And we did go to Trader's World and they had some good stuff and they had some like bad dudes. But this is my favorite so far. It's so good. Sorry I made that face. You might be uncomfortable. Oh, and if you saw my like short of when I did I opened a fake squishy, I went to the pool. That's why my hair looked cuckoo and I was at my friend's house. I got this fake duck, bro. I actually thought it would feel like the real one. Now this takes up a lot of space because he's a, you know, chunky boy. So I'm gonna move him. Oh, I I love this one. It's so good. If you guys see this, get it. But we actually found some Neatos at Trader Joe's. We found the color changing. This one is actually pink, but when you squeeze it, it looks like purple. Oh my god, color changing Neato. Which I was like, there was only like 6 less. I'm like, there's no way that's a real Neato. And it says like Skyling or whatever that is thing. Like, there's no. This is also from Trader Joe's. My mom showed me it. I'm like, I want an unopened one because a lot of them are open. It's not that good, but it could be worse. Because, like, what is, like, it's not the things that are in it. It's, like, what's holding it is thick. That's why I can't, like, really squeeze it. Well, that would be, like, good for ASMR and, like, beads. Well, that probably is a bead, but this is also from Trader Joe's. It's a dumpling. My sister's been getting, like, blue. Oh, but I feel sad for the woman in, like, I forgot, like, it starts with an A. They have to wear that blue stuff to not know. And they made a song about the rides. See, like, I got blue. Even the dumpling feels sorry for them. And they need their rights back. But I don't know how to change my profile to blue. If I know how to, I would. But I don't have, like, the, like, cool stuff. And then I got this cheese from Trader Joe's, and I thought it looked like the Squeeze Luck. So, that's good. Okay. It's like gel. That's good. I already opened it and I wanted to feel it. I'm like, oh, I should make a video about my squishies, but like, I feel that, so I opened that one. Then we got this like little sugar taffy bar. We've got a, this one looks good. There's green and yellow. Oh, this is good. Sugar stuff is like always my favorite. My friend said like, oh, I hate sugar stuff. How do you hate sugar stuff, girl? Like, okay. And then they gave us like a free mystery bag and I got a little turtle out of it. Like, it's so cute. You might see him more often. This is a trash bag. Okay. There's no way this is the real one. There's no way, right? I feel like this should be bigger. But like, I've always seen this. I'm like, oh my gosh, look at that. I feel like this is the real one. I mean, if it's not, I don't care. I want like a duplicate of it. It's scented and it's strong. I can smell it from here. It's not like a really good scent though. Oh, it's, wait, the like top is sticky and the bottom's not. I like that. Oh, the smell is, oh, no. But that is good. I don't think it beats this though. It don't. Like, this is really gone. Sorry. Okay. Oh, I wanted to see what this was. It's like a realistic bread squishy. Okay. Oh, wait. That looks so real, actually. Imagine I ordered real bread. Kind of smells like bread, too. but it's just the squishy. Ooh, I like that. It's like, it feels like wet, but it's not. I've always wanted a coconut oil ball, though. Oh, you guys can skip this part. I'm struggling. Then I gotta put this right here. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I got that too. Okay, I'm back. I had to get something. I also got another color changing needle from Trader's World. It's a different color. See, like purple. Oh, I like that. That's from Trader's World too, if you know what that is. And I was like, oh my gosh, there's no way. It's a sort of Nido that comes in a 4-pack for $2. If you guys Nido Nice Ice Babies. I don't know why they put like, not like the orangish red one here. I don't know why. Like, I've not seen that color of Nidos a lot. I don't know if it's like a special color. They don't make that color anymore. But who knows? I've always wanted this type of... Look how clear that is. I've always wanted this type of Nido. Stop. And then we got a pink version, which looks a little bit tiny. We got a purple version. This is weird. I wanted like the red one. I'm like, why is there 2 blues? But whatever. I gotta put this right here again. Oh my gosh, I almost fell out of the chair. Now, I've been seeing these. I love mystery boxes and I love squishies. And someone made this. So, I had to get it. Ooh, I want like the blue versions or like the mystery. I'm gonna keep the box up here just to see what I get. Ooh, this is like, oh, big. I got a purple one. Ooh, why is there? Ew. Ew. Who the heck? Why is it so dirty? Bro, it's so pretty though. Like I love that purple version. Okay, but like it's kind of dirty. Okay. I told my mom I wanted another cake. Because the other one I got was fake. Bro, this is foam. The other one had so much air in it, and it still has air in it. It don't even have like a little bit of product in it. Bro, you guys have to at least make it a good dupe. And that's not... I'm giving this to my sister. This is starting not to go too well. Because this is dirty. Like, I'm putting this over here. If I throw it over here, that means it's bad. So I'm gonna give it to my sister. She can have that. Okay. The dogs! Okay, the dogs. Oh, my God. Oh, these are fake too. I think these are real. I mean, at least they're a good dupe. Then, like, guys, if it's gonna be fake, it at least has to be a good dupe. Like, that cake was not a good dupe. Alright, I gotta bring out the big boys. Okay. Oh, bro, this is like... Oh, I think these are real. Like, that, oh, that's it. Okay, the blue one looks a little bit bigger. And I'm not saying like that's a bad thing, I'm just saying. But why does every time I open a blue or like tie-dye, it has like dry glue all over it? I got a baby, it had dry glue all over it. You guys, stop doing that. That's disrespectful, but it's still good. Then a yellow one. This goes in the trash. And you go on chicken. And guess we did get some squishies for my sister, so. Yellow duck. The pink one feels like so much softer. It's like easier to squish. We have a green one. Alphabet. Okay, sorry. Okay, next we're gonna do this one. Ooh. Wait, I'm really excited. What is this? Ooh. Oh, I've seen these. Oh, wait, no, this is not even like a real one, I think. Okay, let's open this one. Wait, this one's like softer. I like that. Ooh. It's starting to get full. I still have a lot left though. What's this? I've seen these and I have been so excited for this. Bro, this looks so pretty. You can feel the stuff inside. I'm in love. I'm gonna marry a squishy. Y'all, look how pretty that is. I'm just squishing the ocean. And it's like sticky. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's good. Okay, let's do this one. This better not be a Taba squishy. It's not real, but it better be it. Ooh, it's not a Taba squishy. That's what, like, I hate people put Taba squishies, bro. Like, you really have to do that. Just at least make a good dupe, even though I've said that, like, 20,000 times. See, like, this is a good dupe. It's, like, softer. It's not scented, which is okay, but, like, that's a good dupe. That's a good dupe of Anito. Okay, let's do this big one. Oh, and of course, I wanted another one. Okay. This is the one I got. Hopefully, I don't get a dupe of it, or I'm going to give it to my sister. I want a green one or a mystery. Okay. Let's just follow us on Instagram. Yes, I got a green one. Oh, it looks like teal. It's like the same shape too. Oh, I love that. Okay. Next, we're gonna do this one. Oh, this one's in the bag. Oh, I'm gonna see what you guys think it is. Oh, okay. 3, it's tie-dye. 3, 2, 1. And it lives. I got sea turtles. Oh, look how cute these are. They look as big as, they look as small as my sister's brain. Like, these are, oh, they're hard though. These are cute though. And I love sea turtles. Like, that's one of my favorite animals. Like, I love, like, beachy vibes. Like, I love dolphins, flamingos, sea turtles. I do love cats because we have a lot of cats. I love like chicks. Like, it's like, I do love horses too though. But why are these, okay, they're just like hard to open. Bro, I wish there was like a coconut wheel ball or something. Okay, open what this is. This better not be the same thing of these, or I'm gonna give them to my sister. No! I don't like dupes of things. This one's more softer and more moldable, so. Yep, these are going to my sister. They're not bad, but I don't like dupes and stuff. So, they're going by my cake. They're not bad, obviously. Okay. Last thing. This is not what I think it is, right? This is not what I think it is. Oh, please. Oh, I don't think it is. Oh. I like that though. Wish it was a coconut wheel ball. I thought it was. It's very sticky. I'll put my partner on it. I don't think he likes it. Yeah, he flew off. Okay, I think that's the last thing. It was. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. I'm joking, I'm not done. Thank you guys for almost like 200 subs. I am very, very, very grateful. Like, I remember starting out with a dream, okay? Like, I have a dream of being popular when I grow up, so I can like, you know, I'm joking. I just like always had a dream of to be popular. I love Adopt Me on Roblox Sagas. I love Adopt Me. I love like really cute clothes. Like, I love squishies. Like, this is gonna always be a trend with me. I'm not letting go of this trend. Like, I let go of the boo-boos and I have a lot of foo-foos in my closet. They creep me out. But like, thank y'all for almost 200 subs. I am very grateful. So, if you guys like this haul and want me to do more, which is probably going to be in 5 months, tell me. Love y'all. Bye. And tell me if you guys have any, like, video ideas for me to do. Okay, love y'all. Bye.